Well, what he was saying is like this one and same on that side definitely was not supposed to be like that, but it might be like that because the way the things wrinkled a little. But he'll be able to fix it, and then like I said before, whatever holes you need, yeah. But I can't get over that, bro. This is the shit that sets us aside from a normal garage to a custom car garage. We're gonna grind these here beads down to nada, basically smooth, flat, all the way around. Grind them all smooth and flat, and then thin layer of fiberglass all the way around to make it smooth, and y'all will see the finished outcome. As soon as it's done in the engine bay, Sean's taking it to Maycare to get painted. Oh, this is getting whited.
A few minutes later.
We've started mostly this half. Alright, here's what's happening. This is probably 4th or 5th night. You probably tell by the video clips of Kyle welding. He'll be here in a few minutes. Towel's done, engine bay is done, trunk lid is done where the wing holes were and where the gas cap was. All shaved, filled in. We may or may not have left some wire brushes in the cowl when he filled that, so we're gonna cut a slight hole in that again and make sure. Sean started fiberglass. Every single time we're doing fiberglass, I forget the camera, shoot me. Fiberglass is already starting to come out really good. I'll go around and show you guys. It feels a lot better than it did. More updates. The cards and stuff is about to have its own channel, hopefully. I've been getting a lot of content on the camera. Cameron's been really slacking on me on videos since he started Mako. We've only gotten 2 or 3 short videos out, and it's been months. I mean, it's July 1st right now, literally as of like 2 minutes ago, and I haven't got many videos since Cruise Week. The Cruise Week video still hasn't even dropped. There's bike videos since before that haven't dropped, and the bikes have sold since then. Get on his ass, people. Get on his ass. Yeah, leave this in the video, Cameron. He's editing this right now. Yeah. Put the shaved doors on the Foxbody. They fit, they line up. The trim's slightly different because it's from a, I think it's from a 92. The body's a 91, so the trim slightly different, but he's taking it off and shaving that shit anyway, so let's go.
So on this.
What?
That looks like it's gonna be hard to mix.
Yep. Sean laid a bunch of new fiberglass, and him and David came over here and did some grinding and some sanding.
This shit's way more creamy than the last. It doesn't even need mixed.
It definitely looks like it needs mixed.
No. There's no chunks or any different colors in it.
It just looks hella watery.
Alright, that's it. Speed that process up a little bit. I'm gonna tip this